Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract fractions from the measurements on a ruler. So let's say you've got a ruler and you've just measured something that fell between the numbers. Let's say here's 2 and here's 3, and you've got a measurement that falls right in the middle, so you know that that's the fraction 2.5, all right? And then you went and measured something else, and let's say that fell right between the halfway mark and the mark of 3. That's 3/4 of the way in, so you know that's 2 3/4. All right, so you've got your two measurements, and you want to add them together. The way to add these two fractions is I'm going to go ahead and set them up vertically because I like looking at it like that better. And we have to remember that we can't add fractions until their denominator is the same, and these denominators are not the same. So the way to make them the same is to look for the least common denominator, the lowest number that 2 can go into and 4 can go into, and that number is 4. So I'm going to change my denominator to 4. And now I'm going to ask myself, how did I get from 2 to 4? Well, I did times 2, so I have to also do times 2 up here, and 1 times 2 is 2. And then to get from 4 to 4, well, that just stayed the same, so my 3 will also just stay the same. Now that the denominators are the same, I can go ahead and add my numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5. And the 4 goes ahead and stays the same. And now I add my whole numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4. But now I notice that this is an improper fraction. So what I want to do, since 4 can go into 5 one whole time, is borrow that 1 added onto the 4 to make that a 5. And since there's 1 left over, I keep the 1, and my denominator stays 4. So I get 5 1/4. And that is how you add fractions from the measurements on a ruler.